Hey guys, it's Vero Louie and we are back with another video. Today's video is going to be a product review video mixed with a little bit of a travel. Because I've been getting some requests to do a part 2 to the first video that I did for Open Story where I go in depth talking about what's inside the suitcase, I'm going to be doing a part 2 to the Open Story suitcase. I want to give a big shout out to this follower that asked this question, and I appreciate you for commenting and asking. And now if you are interested in seeing some of my travel destinations such as Greece, what it's like traveling through Greece with it, as well as what it's like traveling through Italy with that, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I will be posting those videos in the next couple of weeks. So let's get this video started. So first thing, I'm actually traveling with this right now, and it's not that heavy. I do have things inside right now, so I'm not going to show you the insides of the suitcase because I did do a more in-depth video. If you guys want to see that, I'll post it down in the description box and you can go ahead and check that out. But today I'm going to give you guys my opinion as well as show you guys some clips on when I was traveling with it so you can get an idea about if this suitcase is for you. I will see you guys in the next clip. I am not being sponsored by this brand. I just needed something while I was traveling, so I went ahead and got this suitcase from Target, and the price, I believe I got it for like $189-ish, but right now when I look on Target the price went to $209. I mean, the style was pretty cute, so I was okay with that. I'm gonna give you guys my pros and my cons, and then afterwards you guys can decide whether or not this item's for you. So the suitcase is pretty small. It's a carry-on size, which I really like the fact that it was small and compact so I can take it on the plane with me. Now I did come across one issue when I was using the suitcase, and that was I packed it a little bit too much, and so the lady said I was over the weight capacity, and if I could zip it up then I would be able to go through, and thankfully this little zipper came in handy, so I made it a little bit more compact and I tightened it down. Some of the pros that I noticed while traveling with this suitcase, I like the fact that it had the 360 wheels, so it made it very easy for me to move it around. Now I did travel with the suitcase with another duffel bag style bag where I put my sneakers and my shoes in there, and so that way it made it lighter on the suitcase. I'm gonna post the pictures right here. In my next couple of videos I will be doing the outfit of the day to show you guys what I packed on my 18-day trip in Greece, so if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned for that. When it comes to taking the suitcase into the airport, it was super easy to take it through TSA. Now, I have been traveling a lot with it, so I flew from Boston to Michigan, Michigan to Rome, from Rome to Greece. On my way back, I went from Greece to Turkey, and then from Turkey to Providence, Rhode Island. And then since then, I have been traveling to Florida with it. So this suitcase has been around, okay? On the suitcase, there is an part where you can charge your phone on there, and you can put your power bank in there. Now, because I only had one power bank, I didn't really use that feature of it as much. And I know I wanted to get this suitcase because it has a locking section on it. I'll post that right here. I did not use that feature also because I knew the area where I was going, and so I felt safe leaving my items not unlocked. Things that I did notice, the wheels were super easy to turn around and rotate, which made it easy when I was going through the Turkish airport. They had really tight bars that you kind of had to slide your suitcase through, and had I had a larger suitcase it would have been a little bit difficult to maneuver, but because it was super small it was easy to rotate. Now most of the time I like to travel lightly. Although I did have a lot of items, I just stacked them on top of my suitcase, which made it super easy to travel, and I would most of the time just be using one arm, which was efficient for me. Another thing that I did like about this suitcase was the fact that even though it was very compact, I was still able to have different storage compartments within there, and so that was easy for me to use as well. Now on for the cons, that although the suitcase has a nice outer casing, the case did get a little bit damaged. So I did notice that it did get scuffed up a little bit, which I don't quite like. Considering you are paying about $200 for a suitcase, I wish the outer casing was a little bit more durable. Overall, I did take it to a lot of places, so I guess I got my money's worth when it comes to a suitcase. All right, my beautiful people, we are back to inspect. When I was explaining to you guys about the area that's scuffed up, if you can see right over here, it got messed up and it's coming out. I don't like that. There's markings right over here. I don't know if you can see. And then a little bit down below, there was an area that was a bit white right here. Well, I did use this a lot. The wheels, I have to say, are pretty sturdy. Still no issues with the wheels, which I'm impressed by. For the wheels, I would give the wheels like a 9, a solid 9, because it's so easy to rotate with these wheels. That's something that I really appreciated and I'm glad that I got. Overall, it did make my traveling so much more effective and efficient. I didn't feel like I was lugging things, and there was a good amount of time where I was going through the airport. I had to run pretty fast to catch my next flight, so it was easy to keep up with me. So I would give this item, I don't know, maybe a 7.5 out of 10. Considering the casing, I'm a little disappointed with the casing. I expected the casing to be a little bit more durable. That is about it. Now I will see you guys in the next clip. Would I buy this item again? I think I might. If I could find one on a cheaper level, I probably would get that, considering the outer case was damaged. If I needed something quick and on the go, I would go with this item. It was cute. It still carried a lot of my items. I could take it anywhere. It fit the maximum capacity for carry-on, so I didn't have to gamble whether or not it would fit. And I really liked it. If this video gets about 50 likes, or if you guys ask for another video, I will do another video. And leave me a comment with your questions and I will do my best to answer it. In some videos that you guys are going to be getting within the near future, I will be reviewing a Greek hairstylist that does African American hair. I will also be reviewing some Greek style cuisine and trying and taste testing, and I will be showing you guys around. So if you guys are stuck in your apartment or you're looking for your next travel destination, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, because I'm here to bring you guys some adventure. If you are interested in getting more information on my most recent travel trips, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That is the end of this product review. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.